This is the Monthly Market Minute, where we take a minute to talk about the Montreal real estate market, its stats and trends. So here in November, we're going to take a look at how the market's been faring so far as we get close to the end of the year and the break for the holiday season, as it typically happens around mid-December. So we're seeing right now in the news for the real estate market is the drop in the interest rate by the Bank of Canada, bringing the lending rate to 2.25%. So of course, this will have an effect on your variable rates, which should be coming down. So you should be getting notice from your banks if you had a variable rate. But we're also seeing the 5-year fixed rate come down as well. And the fixed rates are actually affected by the bond market, not by the Bank of Canada interest rate, but those are actually coming down as well. So what does this mean really for buyers is that they actually have a lot more buying power because they're spending less, in theory, on interest for mortgage payments. We continue to see as well, as far as the market's concerned, a strong showing for single-family homes, especially in the West Island and surrounding areas. If you have a nice home in good shape in a good neighborhood, the buyer demand is still there. What we are actually seeing a little bit more of anecdotally is properties with offers on them, but conditional on the sale of the buyer's home. We're seeing more of that now. I'm actually seeing price reductions as well, as sellers are trying to readjust their price according to market conditions. So I'm not saying that the market is dropping or softening or anything like that, but we do see a balancing in the market and a readjustment by sellers because buyers actually have more leverage to negotiate because there's more inventory and availability to them. When it comes to the condo market, we're seeing a great opportunity for investors or first-time buyers trying to get into the market. There is more inventory for condos than demand. We're seeing that a lot downtown, and it's also coming a lot into the West Island as well. Again, the sky isn't falling, but we're seeing pockets of opportunity there. So really a balanced market moving forward. We'll see how the market finishes up for the year, and I have a strong expectation of the spring market being actually quite robust and quite active for many factors. Of course, if you'd like more detailed information about your specific area, feel free to drop me a line and I'll happily get you that info.